going on, everybody?
Going.
Is it?
Yeah.
Bingo is gone. I guess we'll see what happens with the bell, dude. I'm not gonna take anything right off the bell because I don't have anything left.
Yeah, there's nothing really that exciting yet this morning.
Yeah. If I had something, then I'm like, yeah, this is my trade, then maybe, but I just don't have that. I'll throw the scanners on for today because I'm unsure.
Alright, 9:29.
1 minute.
9:29.
Isn't Shiani getting here?
Yep.
What? He's on live again.
Good morning.
Yeah.
Morning.
Morning.
Good morning.
BINGO.
BT to 22, and then to 40.
Good luck, everybody.
08. You don't get nowhere.
You can do it. Wait for something to
Good morning, Zenthis. Good morning, Kyle. Good morning, Thomas.
Bingo
Good morning,
just
Shin. Good morning, Constantine. Good luck to everybody.
Go to BT.
Zoom getting crushed out of the gate here. I don't even know why I had it up, to be honest. What is your total ROI so far? Not good.
Yeah, the scanner's not doing jack. I got nothing.
There we go. Let's go, baby. 795.
It's a good hangover play there.
Literally, my scanner is popping nothing up.
No, a couple little things.
By the way, New Year's Eve today.
No, I literally have 0 on my scanner. On my POS scanner. I got nothing with 800,000.
Not to spoil the ending, but everything is going to be okay. Your possibilities are endless. Went through a whole year of these. There were some pretty good ones in there.
ANC is falling. With that 30-cent spread on top of that, that's cool. Scanner's still
There
empty.
we go. We are out.
Zoom got crushed.
Boy.
Yeah,
I
drop.
believe so.
Drop to 750.
For confirmation. 760, baby.
Bingo took a nice drop and then pop.
Shares here on
Yeah, jump
BNGO.
over 315.
Oh, I like
Man,
that.
you were right about the 750.
Yeah, still didn't listen to the pop area, but we'll see. Might just zip through it.
Yeah, 320.
And this is why, guys. This is why, gentlemen. We hold the trade.
Alright.
Hold
Ooh,
the
nice
trade.
little pop on bingo, man.
Yeah.
Steve just holds his trades though because he loses internet connection.
Wow,
Say that again?
literally 750.
Nothing. I was being
That was the band.
non-productive.
Oh, okay. I should have taken BT on the pop. Oh, that's all right.
Alright, guys. I'll be back in a few minutes.
Okay.
Try not to blow up your accounts while I'm gone.
Don't tell me what to do. Blow up my account if I want.
Yeah, I should have taken BT at the bottom. Mistake. Mistake.
I feel like
That's
this
So BT.
TZA is not
Yeah.
a 30 mil float.
Once again, whenever I hear BT, all I look at is BT.
This thing, what is TZA? There's a lot of shares going back and
Even
forth
though
on
I
this
traded
thing.
that yesterday.
I would have made a buck already.
But you didn't.
I didn't.
ANTE, is that just dropping like it's hot? Is that halted?
Which one?
I don't even.
I don't have anything halted.
Oh, no, open back up. That was weird. That was a delayed reaction. Okay, let's see. BINGO.
Pretty small range for this price stock.
And Bingo was his name. That was a funner. Had a go. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Devin Davis with Bingo. Bingo low floater?
No.
NGO is 153.
Oh, my screen's locked. Cool.
WBAI. Too bad we don't have shorts on that. It's plugged in one.
I was looking for the 9 pop here. Not gonna get it. A little spready there. Oh, there it is.
Ooh, Bingo. Where you go, Bingo? A lot of volume.
Yeah.
ELSD. That's shorts on that. It's not really that up. W what?
Jeez.
BAI. Yeah.
I would be short right now.
Yes.
Bet. You short this?
I
No.
can.
Huh?
Yeah, he could,
Yeah, I
probably.
can.
I would already be in this. But I can't short it, so. WBAI.
This 970 area is what I was looking for. This thing is pretty whippy, so it went a little smaller share size here.
Alright, we can short CLSD.
SD or SK?
CLSD, it's a cheapo, but I mean, for what it is, it's up. Oh yeah, thing's extending.
See what it does here at 9. 885 break would be nice. Get the ask under 9. Nope. This thing is whippy with the spread too. This thing can go. I was looking more for this area here for take profit. That's why I used what I did for share size.
Did you get in CLSD or no?
I did. Currently in it.
Long or short?
Short.
What'd you get in at? I wanted to get over 3, but
My average is 289.
also not bad. You got full size?
Yeah.
If it goes through 10, this might get a pretty good pop.
It's over 3.
Yes, it is. I should go back.
In all fairness, this should have been our first entry.
Yeah, missed it.
And it's over 3. And it's way under 3. I never added to this thing, it's just being whippy.
Yeah, I don't think I'm going there.
Oh, screw this, man. I took it off for 28 bucks. I don't know what the heck it's doing right here. I don't like the way this.
Yeah, then it just kind of like stopped.
That was a weird stall.
Yeah. And it was volume going in it. It was just staying there.
So that was not a big winner.
BTB running.
One second.
Ooh. Didn't really even get a chance to add there. Would have been a nice ad right there at the top. It's kind of crappy for us now, to be honest. So now our average isn't that great. 957. This thing is very whippy. Still has a bunch of support sitting here. Oh, it's dropping out. Get through 950, might get a flush right down to us.
Guess I should have held on to that, huh? What else is moving?
BTBT's doing some stuff, and BLNK's moving, and
So we can get the pop through here. Might get
Yeah.
a fill.
it's back up to, it was over 16 a minute ago. Now it's coming down a little bit.
40s. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. Yeah, we'll take that one. Not how I would have normally played it. We were looking for an ad on the backside there, but as you guys saw, that thing just flushed a little too early. There was literally no chance. It went from 1058 down to like 960 something. It was almost like a full point drop.
Yeah.
It hit 8,
Yeah.
829, but
It's so whippy, dude. It's halted.
yep.
Can't believe there's shorts on that. I was kind of shocked in pre-market. I was like, well, okay. 1 million in a float, and we got shorts. Dope. Yeah, it makes sense.
That would have been a good one. Bingo's on. We don't have shorts on. Yeah.
Well, there's something else I should be looking at that I'm not.
WBAI is starting to move up again.
Damn, I gave Steve the perfect exit.
WBAI is moving up again. What?
WBAI.
Yeah.
Dollar floater?
It's trading like one.
9 million.
Like 40 mil.
It's trading like one though. It's very whippy with a decent spread.
With a decent spread. 14.
Yeah. Well, no, it's been 20 plus.
That's one of these.
Yeah.
I'm out of it. I didn't like the way it was going, but it's probably going to go up. But I made some good money.
Yeah.
Yeah. I bottom ticked it, so
I don't know when I do these extensions, but it went as exactly to the 1061 or the 161. Weird.
Yeah, I just posted it. Actually, it worked out well.
Dude, I don't know when I do these extensions on this. When was this thing moving?
Yeah, and the day before it was moving some.
Like, I have no clue where these are drawn from. But all of a sudden they came into play.
This WDC has some room to like
Actually, I got out of it
54 or
good time.
50 area.
It's probably coming. I mean, dude, it literally wicked
There's
off
really
at
nothing
161.
stopping it until then.
Yeah, something
Maybe,
I'll actually take a picture of this. This is
maybe
crazy.
this 53
I
area.
drew these weeks ago.
Actually, there's a little bit
Probably
here, 52.50.
Which was
I'm
about.
gonna win.
Oh wait, no, I don't actually want to do that. I want to just cancel that. Do this on
Devin.
5 minutes. What up?
Devin, I gotta give you props, man. That call to 750, that was spot on.
No, I was just telling the guys. I gave you like the perfect exit there. That was crazy.
Yeah. I mean, I left 10 cents on the table, but that's quite all right.
Yeah, no.
Now, I got my original out at even, and my add-in made a couple bucks on. So,
Dude, look at how
yeah.
perfect this thing wicked off there, dude.
Off of what, the WBAI?
And WBAI off that 161.8, and then yesterday it was off the 100. It broke above that this morning, went right to the 161.
XBIV, you have shares.
Probably don't if you don't.
Yeah, we don't. Somebody may, though.
Let me know.
Yeah. I don't like the
Letters think
daily
about it.
here.
KI keeps going around. Flitter's thinking about going down.
No, Plitter's gonna go. Plitter's gonna pop. I don't know how much will pop, but it's gonna get one eventually. It's not low enough for me yet, but
I'm gonna disagree. This thing's gonna drop. What was it?
Doing a right out trade here on
On the daily,
WDC.
this looks like it's ready to freaking tank.
it's got a little pop in it. Trust me. For informational purposes only.
Kind of feels like it could be the top, and there's some resistance, some decent resistance stepping in here. But I'm not. It's more of a grinder to me. So it's a right out trade.
2406, maybe even 24. It's got some pop in it, I think.
I'm not playing that.
I know that's not your move.
I'm gonna watch WBAI if you can get over this 1060 area. I'm gonna create an alert there. Dude. Oh, look at that drop. You jump in there?
Nope, not yet. Now I want more.
Greedy.
Yes, we are. Yes, we are.
Dude, I ate a pepper yesterday and one of the seeds got caught in my teeth and it hurt so bad.
For informational purposes only, WBAI has room down to 251.
$2.50. For informational purposes only, do not listen to Steve.
No, that's a lot more than informational. That is factual.
That will not be hitting $2.51.
I honestly wasn't expecting this to get through 52 that quick. Didn't pull back at all there. See if we can get back under. If we can get back under and hold. Still,
Really
no. We're gonna stop. We're gonna get slippage too. I guess no prints. Oh, there it is.
On vacation.
Well, that sucked.
I mean,
Alright.
come on, with these long weekends, 2 weeks in a row, there's no way you can trade until a full day today.
No.
I don't care what Ross says.
Don't tell me what I can and can't do.
I just did.
I will trade all day. Oh,
Tried to
what-
give it
what
that
is
little
that?
bit of room. Look at that.
Well, somebody look at
Literally
that
top
and see-
ticked it. Oh, it gave
Okay.
us.
What in sight?
Should have been out before that, but it oh no, there it goes.
I didn't see that coming.
Going down, they're jumping all the way back up.
AIN is in Nancy or M is in Mary?
Nancy.
Halted.
Halted up now. It was halted down a minute ago. It's gonna be that one, so I won't play it.
Well, I'm not going to tell you what this has room till.
Cancel.
Sorry,
I
I'm
have
making a trade it.
I did not mean to hit that.
This is a long, so at least 27.
Oh my gosh. What is happening?
Come on, it's like 10 months ago. It's like yesterday.
BTBT looks interesting. BT.
Lucky's calling that the 40.
No, Lucky's calling it
A
40.
little more of a drop. A little more.
Those are your moves, man. Those are
I'm
not
gonna try it one
mine.
more time
I
here.
want a little more of a drop. But
Even that one. It's just that's ugly to me.
yeah.
Which one, BTBT?
Yeah.
Nah, it's too close to anything.
I missed it. If it was it needed to drop more. It's probably going to go up some here, but I'm not in it.
I don't know. I like Devin's plays that are like $20 stocks that are 25% or more moves. There's so many of those.
Not so many today.
This XBEV is going.
If you're really desperate, you can always trade GLSI.
And WDC faking out like crazy.
We have shorts on off.
There we go. Come on.
On what?
Off. No.
Off.
HOTH, I think it's here already.
I love you.
Can get down through 5170.
Luke traded that this morning, or at least talked about it.
There we go.
I don't think he actually ever got in.
Guess it'll push down here.
Trading what?
HOTH, but the problem is, there's a huge hard to borrow fee on it. And it's
On
times
HOTH?
4 because it's tomorrow. For me to short 1,000 shares, it's going to cost me 40 bucks.
Ooh.
There we go. Come on.
Love
Let's
you,
get the
baby.
push through.
Have a good day.
Love
I'll
you
see you
too.
in a little bit.
Just want the
Bye,
50
man. Love
test.
you.
Come on. Give us a 50 test.
And she's still halted. What can do? God, today's a rough one, huh? Surprise, surprise.
So we're over 1-to-1 right now. Love to see this break 70. It's kind of where it held support here. That's why I said we need to get through it.
I only like BTBT if it gets over 15. I'm not trading it under.
But for a move to 40.
About to put my stop at break even, which I probably should anyway. But we're basically already there. Could have took it off here, but was really looking for more of a move. If this wants to go up and stop us out of high day again, then I'm just going to accept that. It's a little frustrating, but
Is he in? All right,
XBEV
buddy.
probably should have played this one, to be honest.
What are you in?
I'm not in.
BTBT.
No, I'm not in. I never like. I'm not gonna get in on the breakout. Just gotta pull back and hold.
No sense of adventure.
BTBT is breaking out.
Always being
Like the
safe.
best time. See, now you missed it.
What?
If this can get shut down, back down to 70, I think we'll be good here.
Not yet.
Just need to get back down there and break it down, especially if we can show some top wicks. Back through 52, however, not looking good. So basically we're looking for some sellers to step in here. Just give us that 50 test.
Jiva moving.
Volume pretty much died here. I mean, it's like gone. We're trading up near 100,000-ish candle, and now it's that last candle was 26,000. People said, I'm not interested in this one anymore, which could be a good thing because that was when it started coming down. All the volume was when we push it down. We'll see. We need to get back down here to this 71, 73. Need to break that key level. If we can break that, we'll most likely get a fill.
I'm not sure if I'll love it or not. Yeah, I'm liking it a little bit.
Good. Sure, no problem.
Big pop on volume here. Ante. WDC is not looking too hot.
That I don't know.
Definitely not now.
What you want, I'll put it on the
Got through
account.
52 on the ask.
What is Andy?
No, WDC. Back down. No.
100?
No.
Good lord, man, this BTBT's got me whipped all over.
Well, there's really nothing sitting here at high of day now, so either we get someone to step in, or looking like we might get stopped.
Just go.
You're in it.
I've been in it.
190. Okay, put that down. All right, you're all set. Thank you so much. Have a great Shabbos. Take care.
Alright, I took it off, dude. I made like very little on that.
ACY moving again today.
Too whippy, man.
You got it? You got it late?
Ooh.
I did.
Uh-oh, there goes ACY again.
Screw that then. I'm not gonna look at it.
ACY. That was one of those crazy ones, right?
Yep. CGA is apparently doing something.
See if
too.
patience pays off here on WDC.
BTBT, how you day?
Good morning, Sam, man.
Sorry, bro.
No, okay. Whippy, man. I don't like the way it's moving.
This thing's sending triangle galore. Like I said, we needed it to break the 70 area.
Lance, you
That
ever
was
get
kind
it
of the
on or
key
no?
area, but
I didn't get it on BT, no.
not quite. Now it keeps, this candle right here was kind of the important candle.
Nope.
I don't like the way that's moving at all.
But hopefully we get some
Move it
failure.
north.
We'll see.
Now it's picking up pace.
There you go. 17 break, going to 18 fast.
At this point, it's not really a high probability play that I was looking for.
Someone said 18.
Basically just looking for high of day to hold, which it's
Liar.
trying at the moment. We will see.
What's
Who
a
let
dollar
this guy
amongst?
in?
What's a dollar amongst
It's
friends?
pretty much 3-to-1 RR here. If we can get down there and test the half dollar. I'm in
He's in.
WDC.
Nice.
WDC?
Yeah, just looking for the half dollar test if we can break this 5170 area. If we can break this, definitely should get the half-dollar test. This is definitely the key area right here.
ANTE back up to 11.
Funny part is there's really no shares sitting there unless it's a hidden buyer.
Short area, and then I didn't pre-market.
Hopefully it can at least come down and
Shoot,
test
missed
that area.
Son of a beeson.
Because if it doesn't, then it still
That
looks
would've worked out beautifully.
like it's like an ascending triangle, right?
Hello.
So we definitely want it to at least hit that bottom. There we go. And if we can get through, this would be looking good.
Hold it down.
There we go. We tested it.
That right there was the trade of the day for me.
Oh, huh? It's crazy. BTBT's over 17.
Let's see.
This
We weren't
ante's
supposed to say
back and
anything
forth.
until 18. Come on.
Oh, I'm sorry, I missed that.
Look ahead, it's pre-market resistance.
Come on,
at
break that 70.
750. That's a rejector. I should have held that one, but I wish we had.
Honestly, we could have added up here. But it's alright. It got so slow that I really wasn't interested in adding. Just gotta break the 70. Let's go. Looks heavy. Looks real heavy.
BT, huh?
Right. Come on. Need some of these buyers at 51 to get out of here, but they're probably thinking the same thing. You know, if we can hold that 5150 area, they're fine. Or they might even be looking at the 70 area. Their stops might be right below it, but I don't see anything sitting there. That's the problem. I'm just going to be patient with it. Really not a lot of volume. That was a good thing for us, even if it wants to try to pop here, that it tried that same area again. Granted, it could squeeze from here because shorts are like getting annoyed that it's not breaking that area. But at the same time, it's good to show that it still wants to come down. And it's on smaller volume, which is usually a good thing because it shows that nobody really cares about which direction it's going. But unfortunately, as you can see, this thing likes to squeeze right back up.
Over $1 move for me.
Yep.
Which is very unfortunate.
It's alright. You get the next one. You can make all the money.
So we had the one good candle here where it didn't struggle to come down, but to come down now it's really struggling, and to go back up it's not really, there's like no fight.
And that was, what, 25, 30 cents?
What on which one?
After I was in it. That one red candle that went from 1647 down to 1590.
Yeah.
I didn't get out there, but I got
Well,
out
this
there
would be
and got
frustrating.
down the drain again 'cause I was like,
I really thought when we came down and retested this 5170 area we were going to be just fine.
which was probably stupid because I held through that. Why not just now wait and see, you know? But, oh well, I already did it.
I should have gotten into it.
Hold the trade! How many times do I have to say it?
I'm trying, Steve.
I will
You
not
can't hear
hold
me,
the
but
trade.
I am trying. Trying to
Don't every
hold.
trade, just the losing ones.
Oh, got some
Well, you
volume
can
coming
sell
in
whatever you
here. That's
want.
not good.
BT just gonna take off right here.
That's not good. I think
Yeah, I
that's a
was gonna
couple
get in at
shorts.
1687,
Just trying to get
just
out
above
before
the
this
9,
possible, because
and I
they're
didn't
seeing
do
the
it.
same thing I am.
Kind of want more of a fall on that.
Yep, there it is.
Not
Bummer.
sure
What a
if it's
bummer.
replacement, but maybe that's all she gives.
Man.
I think she wants to pull back more, dude. Everything in me tells me this is not a good buy right here.
Well, not
My
up
line's
here.
got room to a little over 19. That's where the next extension was.
There's your pullback.
It's not it.
A little
Not
more.
the one I'm looking for. It's a pullback. It's not the pullback.
Where's your fib on this?
Let me tell you.
Do you have your 61.8 at like 1660?
I Are you drawing them off today?
Yeah.
See, I'm drawing them off yesterday.
Oh, there is Ante.
This is a continuation of that move, I feel.
What's the float on this? 13.
The 9's like right at 7, at 1695.
Candy going? KNDI?
I don't know. Let's see.
No, Andy. It's that Andy or Auntie or.
Oh yeah, there is A&D, but that's not doing anything.
It's ANTE. ANTE.
ANTE.
Yeah.
Yeah, you should know all about antes.
It's nothing crazy.
267.
That's a Luke play. Luke's playing that now.
It's all relative, man.
Are you still in WDC, Tim? Or did you get out?
No, I got out at Hive Day. Going right to that line. It's just a line I found on the 60-minute. Looks like a top there a few times.
So much temptation on this thing.
Yeah.
We call that FOMO.
Yeah, I mean, it is FOMO. I don't want to miss out on the move, but I don't want to get in the wrong spot.
I want my money back,
AINC
WDC.
dropped. Now it's around 9.
I want my money back.
Now it's under 9.
AINC?
Yeah.
That thing got a little too cray-cray for
Yeah.
this.
Well, it's also a 1 million float, so.
Yeah, that's just one of those things that I'm a little afraid to take, dude.
There's
But I
some
will tell you, I have FOMO'd into this trade.
APT?
Yeah.
Oops.
Where you in at?
Hit short
I'm
ask.
not in a good spot, so give me, hold on 1 second. Definitely chased it up here, but I think it still has a chance to go.
Give it a sec. There's a lot of liquidity sitting here in front of the $half. Might try to go get it. Man, Ante right back up.
Yeah, this isn't looking like what I want it to look like. Right.
Does 1794 count as 18, or that's still not 18 yet?
I'm not 18 yet.
Alright. Did you get in?
Yeah, man.
You didn't get that pullback to 1650, did you?
I didn't get the pullback that I wanted. So I chased it up instead because I'm FOMOing into it, so that's probably going to cost me money.
So far it's making you money.
No, I'm red.
Where'd you get in at?
Hi. Hold on.
Yeah, stop messing with that thing. I'm not gonna trade it.
Need the upward break here. There it is. Alright, I'm back to green.
You got in the 80s?
Yep.
Wow. Talk about waiting for confirmation.
Yeah, it was. I was waiting for a pullback. I was waiting for it, just wasn't pulling back. I wasn't waiting for confirmation. I was waiting for a freaking pullback. It just wouldn't do it.
You're like, all right, fine.
FOMO is real on this one.
Where we gotta go.
Jeez, you won't give me my pullback. I guess I gotta chase you up here.
Sometimes they make you chase them.
I really
Make
wanted
sure
to pull back to like 16-ish.
Just Just make sure she pays for half the room you guys are staying in.
Come on, break me off.
We're gonna start this.
Oh, that kicks
Be
me
okay
out
if it
far.
breaks through. It's really jiggling here.
Alright. She's struggling here, man. A little too much.
Give her some time. New territory.
Man, a little difficult. I got a hard stop at 50 now.
You had to say that out loud, didn't you? You know Charlie can hear you. He's going to bring it down there.
Is Charlie the one that does this?
Well,
Charlie's
Thomas
on
already-
Devin.
Take that.
Thomas said it wasn't him.
Struggle is real up here, but I like this 19 area.
Would have been nice if I hit the other button there. Would have had a lot more shares. We'll take it.
Oh, wow, I have shorts on this.
You do?
I do.
On BTBT?
It's expensive.
There we go.
I was just about to hit the button here too on WDC.
I gotta take a little bit off there just for the pain that I just went through.
Yep.
I liked it back up near 30 there.
Got it.
Risking off the highs, obviously. Kind of in nowhere. No man's land at the moment with it.
Yes and no. Made me sweat.
Got the bottom of that bounce there.
Turn up the air conditioning.
Winter, bro.
It's winter.
What are you doing to me? This BTPT, man, she's making me work for more money today. Why can't you just give me love?
Just give me love.
We just
$19 for me.
Interactive Brokers just ran out of shorts on BTBT.
Did it? That's
Yeah.
good.
I just put a short order in. I won't tell you how high, though.
1930 would be where I'd put it.
32.20. Who's closer? Me?
No. No, you're not.
Well, be careful because it could definitely go there.
Yeah,
Just kidding. I mean, it could, but I doubt it.
I could. You're right.
The odds are
I'm
against
just
it.
looking for $19.30, man. Just give me 19 bucks. Honestly, if it hits 19, I'm gonna say thank you and deuces.
Hey, Alex.
And this is-
Happy New Year, man.
The
Appreciate
problem
it.
with shorting anything today is I've got to pay 4 times hard to borrow.
And definitely stay safe with all the
Just for an example, on this one, the short.
the fireworks.
50 shares will cost me $32.
That's crazy.
This is extended as
250
hell.
shares.
It is.
Yeah, it's just grinding at this point. I need to stop looking at it, huh? I just want to look at it because it didn't give me my money. We could have got out here a few times, but we were looking for that break.
Make 15 cents.
And if we would have got that break, we weren't asking for that much more, right? We were sitting at like 53. Not even half the move. Yeah, just couldn't get it.
Common
Unfortunate.
sense is telling me to sell this.
I do think it's going to eventually come back down there, but it is
Hold
what
the
it is.
trade.
Yeah, but
Going
look
to
at
19.
the 5 minute, dude. Look how extended this is.
Kind of want to risk off
Nobody can
52.50
short
to
it.
be
It's too
honest.
expensive to short. They're just going to buy it
Just
up.
looking for that 52 area.
Anyone that's shorter is going to cover because they don't want to hold it. You can do this.
I want to see it get there first though and test it.
Informational purposes
That would be
only.
perfect.
Devin, don't be logical. Don't use any common sense. Just
And
hold.
BT just ripping.
Don't look at the chart. Walk away. Go make your eggs. Come back. It'll be at $22, just like Lucky said. See? $18.50.
I could feel that
You
trick.
make $3 in this trade.
I gotta take some off there.
No!
Get you
Don't do it, man. I ain't
Yeah.
coming.
What did Ante do?
We got some in there still.
Uh,
I'm riding the.
I feel like we got a pretty good flush out of that, so I can't be too upset about
What's
it.
it be, 15 shares?
No, I got 100 left.
Although that is a pretty decent
Let it
flush.
go, man. Walk
Dude,
away.
I'm taking them all off.
Ah,
Yeah, I'm taking them all off. I'm done. I'm over goal, dude. I gotta take that. I gotta take that. Put me over goal, dude. I can't let it go.
oh
Can't let it
man,
go,
that
man.
is fun.
I gotta take that
That is
goal.
fun stuff.
Gotta take that goal.
So you should be upset though because you should have waited for your pullback. So all this money goes in the not my trade jar.
I suppose. I suppose. Luckily, we don't actually have one of those.
True story, man.
Looking like another little ascending triangle.
I gotta take it, man. It got me over goal, bro. P&L traded it like a mofo, but
Yeah, it sounded like it. You weren't even
But, dude,
looking at the price; you were just looking at the profit.
I'm looking at the 5-minute chart going, good lord, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles. I have to sell. I can't hold something that's green 5 candles in a row. I can't do it. It's too much. Everything in me tells me there's no freaking way that thing has to come down. There it goes.
Oh,
Nice,
please, it's
Shin, if
great.
you're in here, man, nice trade there on
Over here going,
Apple.
I know he's gonna sell it.
Beautiful trade.
Like, I know that guy
I
can't
can,
hold anything.
I can feel his finger getting itchy.
I mean, dude,
hold this
look at the
alcohol.
5-minute, dude. Tell me that isn't telling me to get the heck out. Like, I gotta use sense at some point, you know? And I'm like, yeah, this thing could fly up, dude. I mean, I got a decent fill on that last tick. I didn't get that 1880, unfortunately, but I got like 1860-ish, which isn't bad, dude.
All right, so now that you're out, I actually had a short in place for 1875.
So you're such a dick. I believe it's going to 1931, so just hold on for
Well,
the ride.
I can't, because I thought for 2 seconds, like, wait, no.
What's the float on this?
Cost me $32, whether I make money on it or not.
I think it needs a red candle in the 5-minute though.
Might not matter here in a second.
Take it again.
It keeps popping up, and
Crazy.
as I go to look at it, and
it
it's
might pop
gone.
right through and go to
Yeah.
that 1931, and that will just be the extension.
Sounds like Lance is in it.
No, I'm not. I'm looking.
Oh, you're too quiet. You're too quiet.
I wanted to pull back. I kept waiting to get in for a little bit of a pullback to get in, and never got to where I wanted.
It didn't me either, man. You chased it then. You chase it.
Tasted it.
That's right. Oh my God, I'm corrupting every one of you guys. It's ridiculous.
I'm not putting
Do
the
the right thing and just chase the chart, bro. Just chase it all the way up.
Chase it up, chase it down, hold it, and just deal with it.
Hold on. Charlie Lima Sandy Kilo CLSK. That thing's up again. We don't have shorts on
This
it.
thing's about to pop.
There's your pullback.
Somebody's got an algo on this thing.
Close.
Up through
It
80.
did for I think a second it got there, but
That thing was a ride, dude.
Woo. We all have fun.
Dude, I feel actually good about where I left it. I mean, I feel I shouldn't have chased it. I should have got in down here at like.
Probably
17,
should have
you know,
took.
Stayed in at 16 where I was in
I've been
originally.
really trying to refine how I take profit. I mean,
I was
at a
waiting for the
key
pullback.
support area like that, we should probably take something off. But then it sucks because then it takes a lot longer to really make what you wanted to make on it. But it was such an obvious support level there.
It was there this morning.
I mean, it just kept. You guys were watching it live with me. You could
I don't
just
think this thing's done.
see it holding that same area. I mean, if we even look at the candles, 71,
He does.
73. 72,
Maybe in it long.
72.
Is he really?
Well, I don't know if he's in it long. He's talking about it. He's talking about it going long, so I don't know if he's trying to pump it up to short it more, or
How do you know such a thing?
Probably
from
Twitter.
his Twitter.
Oh, he actually does that on Twitter too.
No, I don't pay for his room services either.
Well, I know a bunch of people in Luke's room used to be in multiples. That's why I was curious if you were seeing it in there.
No, 50 bucks a month for entertainment is all I can afford.
46.
What?
Maybe like around 1750.
That's what I'm looking.
Yeah. I mean, it doesn't have to be exact, but like in there.
Oh man, I should have.
Hopefully that's not too loud for you, but getting chilly.
200 bucks.
Yeah, it drops into those 1750s. It's very interesting.
38 level. It's the pre-market high. So I got two confirming reasons it would bounce there. See what it does when it gets down there.
Look at this. Damn. Oh well.
And I actually got some decent sleep. I'm still feeling tired already. What's your thoughts on AIKI? I mean, overall, it looks pretty weak.
Gotta get down there,
My
buddy.
HIMX. Oh man, should have held my HIMX. Damn.
I'm actually really curious on something like this one. Let me see something real quick.
Made another 50 cent.
50 cent.
50 cent.
I thought this was going to be a little bit more top heavy, more so than it
He's
is.
actually one of my customers.
But it's actually not too bad.
Yeah, he's got an apartment down in Union City.
But it is still
Have you met
a
him
little
in
top
person?
heavy. There's a lot of people underwater.
Yeah.
The reason I was getting at that
He got his credit card too. You want?
is because
It's all right.
when you get back up to these areas, people that had to sit and hold through all of this, they're going to look to just get out break even.
5, 4,
So there's going to be a lot of extra
6,
Hold
7,
on.
4.
selling pressure.
Write this down.
Yeah, I got it then. 5, 4, 3, 7, 6, 5, 3, 4.
WDC is just going to eat some shorts. And Tiger would have been good. I saw that right before I clicked over.
Get down there.
The full rate again.
That might be the pop and drop. See if it. Geez, if it gets above this, man, I think she goes again.
Make sure you chase it.
That's it right here. Drop, drop, drop.
Drop it like it's hot.
I saw that IPI for a second.
Man, this stock has made me sweat a few times
And
today.
fake out, breakout. Dang, this thing's got some range.
Oh my god, that's too funny. I'm fucking down on my phone.
Volume on this is horrible. Yeah, look at that spread. Yeah. Did you honk your horn at her? Cat call?
I did not, but I flashed her.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
With the car headlights.
Okay. This is a family Discord channel, man.
Kids in the room, bro. There's kids in here. Jeez. I don't know what kind of crap you guys do over there in New York, but
You know, for anybody that's not in Maryland,
stuff doesn't fly here in Vegas.
Yeah, we get arrested. We get arrested not in Maryland for stuff like that, flashing other motorists. Although in New York City, don't they get fined for like honking their horn or something? feel like I remember when I was there seeing signs where it said, I think it's just in residential areas though.
Yeah, only if your license plate says not in Maryland.
That is crazy that I'm at goal, but I had a good trade in pre-market, so that really got me.
Lloyd, you did well on BT.
I did okay on BT. I didn't do
If
great.
WDC would have worked out for us, we'd be at goal
I think we made
ourselves.
it sound that you did better than you did.
I did okay. I mean, I was like 1782 or something to 1859. That's not bad.
Yeah, now you waited way too long to get in.
Right. Wait, well, dude, I wanted it to drop. I did wait too long to get in. And then after it got above that freaking pre-market high, I was like, well, this is gonna be problems. There it goes. There it goes. The cat is in the drawer. Son of a bitch.
The cat is in the drawer.
Yeah, definitely not trading
It's in the cabinets, dude.
IPI.
It's in the cabinets.
What's JagX doing?
It's in the cabinet.
What is
I
that
gotta
code
go let
for?
it out.
Cabinet.
$100.
That is definitely code for something.
No, he's got a cat, a kitten.
Uh-huh.
It was going crazy
Right.
last night.
That is a lunatic, man. She goes, man. I don't know, dude. That's a hard double. I don't think she's got that much room in it.
I'd say this is jiggling, huh?
Let her go.
You can't take it above your exit. Then you got to get below your exit at least.
It just didn't give me the pullback I really wanted. I wanted 1750. I went to 1768.
And at this point, you don't want 1750 now.
Look at this thing go.
Second time. That's too far.
No, I kind of agree. It's kind of dead to me.
So really, the only way I can make this chart look better is if we would have took some off there.
You too.
A little unfortunate on the stop out on the first trade, but you don't want to know.
Still playing HOTH. You're playing HOTH, aren't you?
No, I never even pulled that one up this morning, believe it or not. I was watching JagX, the old penny stock. It's about to hit $1.
Ah, good old JAGX.
Isn't that the one? Didn't that used to be just Jag and then it became JagX?
That I don't know.
Lending Club is up. Decent. I think it's another Bitcoin play.
This is a scratch day for me, but that's okay. Had a good week.
There comes the FOMO. Chinatown in New York and cops walking around giving tickets in gridlock traffic. Yeah, you can't stop in the intersection. They'll literally just stand there and wait for you to stop in the intersection, knowing you can't go anywhere, and they'll go out and write you a ticket. I've seen YouTube videos of people doing that. It's funny. I didn't honk.
He made $138,000 for the year.
Not bad. He shoots for what, 500?
500 a day, yeah. On his small account challenge that he started, I think at like 7,500. He grew that one over to over 250 grand. Allegedly.
Allegedly.
There were so many trades he posted that were just impossible for anyone else to get into. So yeah, we'll let it go at that.
Really wanted this to test one there. I was going to play it. Still might get it. This is the FOMO stage where people you know, that don't really know what they're doing, they're thinking, there's a dollar, there's a dollar.
No, my ex is supposed to be back on Saturday, supposedly.
Supposedly now.
It's that mental
She
area
might show
for a
back
penny
up.
stock.
She might.
We have to
Who
get
is
to a
mother
dollar.
and goes out of town without a
There
return
goes.
flight.
Your mother asked her to dry clean to pick up hers.
Like, who does that? Gosh, it's worse, man.
Jack X is just going straight up, huh?
Just trying to get through a dollar.
No problem.
And if you to make any money, you need like 5,000 shares. But
I'm not gonna look at that.
Almost
Devin,
did
what
it.
was your question? Who does what?
Almost did it with the premise that it didn't even really eat any of the shares at a dollar. But we'll see. We'll see what it does here. I still think it wants it. I think everyone's just waiting for the dollar break here.
They made her quarantine and wanted her to test before getting back on the plane. And I'm like, well, who does that as a parent? Like, who just leaves and like doesn't know when they're coming back to be with their child?
Oh,
especially around this time of year.
We spoke about this already.
I know. And she calls me yesterday and said, I
Not
think
gonna
I
get
can
there,
get
right?
on Friday night.
Have a good one.
Maybe, right?
It was like, maybe. Yeah, it was like, I'm not sure. And I'm like, alright.
I tried.
No.
Couldn't get there. At least not yet.
I mean, are airline flights just like subway tokens? You just go pick one up if you need it?
Mm-hmm. It's like calling for an Uber.
I'd like to Uber an airplane back to Vegas.
Just come pick me up. I'm in Hawaii. Girl's freaking insane.
That's why you married her.
How long were you married to her?
Married? I don't know. I think 2.5 years, 3 years. Married.
Yeah.
We were together longer than that.
Guys, look at WDC.
Looks like you got out of WDC right on time, Tim.
I literally just said that to the stream. I was like, look at WDC.
That thing's crazy.
Yeah. Just like curled and it's like, all right, let's just keep on going. I had an order on Jag X at $1.04, but it does not seem to want to get through there.
It's stuck around $1, isn't it? Well, now it's
Yeah,
lower,
yeah, it got stuck at $1. It felt like it might want to pop there, but it's looking like it's going to get the pullback here that I would have been looking for. Just canceled out.
BT's going again.
Check my phone.
BT.
Yeah, it's up to 840, 50. It came down to 7, like 80.
Ooh, that was the pullback.
It was a quick dropping up. So
That's all you need.
you gotta be fast on that one.
Yeah, you gotta put your order in and hope it comes down to it.
Yeah.
You can't market that thing. Too whippy.
About 1930, yeah.
What on?
Falling, huh?
It's 1860.
And now it's 1830.
Yes.
Don't blink, you'll miss it.
I just don't think it's a little too whippy.
Yeah.
To play it.
Thomas, you play anything? You've been quiet all morning.
He got one thing earlier. I know that.
Testing.
I'm not seeing anything else. Let's see. Brian said LC. I wasn't paying attention. A bit of a grinder.
There it is. There's the 19.
Did you get back in, Devin? 19.
Over. Oh, Devin,
It's
by the way,
WDC
BTC
is
made it
nuts.
to 18.
No, I traded it.
Wow. Yeah, look at that thing go.
I was in it when
Told
she
me to
crossed
tell
the
you when
threshold.
it's 18.
Yeah, our shares are officially gone on there. That's high day. 1914.
Want to know where to invest $1,000 right now?
Where?
I don't know.
Oh, man. I want to know.
Somebody asking Steve that? They should. Oh, jeez.
No, that was coming through here. I don't know what.
That didn't sound like anybody here.
No.
Or was that Shin and then he muted everything?
Didn't sound like shit.
I know, that's why I was.
There's someone,
There's no one else in here.
there's someone talking to Shinoni.
Oh, there's a drop.
Mm.
Back to that. 1920.
You got in?
I need to make a scanner only screen for you guys,
See if I still have
so I could leave it running until 11.
for fun.
I don't have one at the moment though. Not ever since I switched my screens around.
Oh, wow. It goes live right away.
What?
My shorts on BTBT.
Oh.
Oh, they jacked up the price though. Now it's going to cost me $37 for 250 shares.
Ooh, look at her go.
Oh, I might get filled. Then you want to buy this up to 1960 so I get filled?
Devin, he's our man.
You can't do it, no one can.
Devin, he's our man. If he can't do it, we'll get Stan.
Look at this. Everyone stepped in front of me. Now they won't let her run.
There ain't no way I'm buying you up there.
What's WBAI doing?
A lot of stocks. I'm actually really surprised that we have a lot of things doing this today with the long weekend. Usually the last day of the year you get a lot of sell-off
Drop.
for tax purposes. Not gonna lie, there's a lot of tickers that are just kind of steadily going up today. I was not expecting it with the whole tax write-off ordeal that people like to partake in.
Yeah.
1945, Steve, you got close. Jagex, yeah. Probably should have took some right there on the south side of 1. Kind of figured it was really struggling to get through. Excuse me. SSR. It's BT. It's the one everybody's looking at today. It's going to hit float rotation. Keeps going like this within the next 15 minutes.
Just staring at this stupid chart all day. It's literally all I watch.
A little bit of a fake break. See, sometimes I look for these grinders when they break the bottom of that candle, which actually, oh yeah, it did by 2 cents. In all honesty, probably want to use a trend line on this one. I mean, thing's got a pretty good one. Something like this one, you'd be looking for it to come through, bounce back up. You'd want it to come down through 53.50, come back up to 53.50, and reject. And then that's where you'd really want to get short. That'd be your high probability play if you're looking for the backside type play. Right now, you're just guessing. I mean, this thing's just grinding. But that was actually the first time I've seen it break the previous candle's low, right? All of these candles, it just kept on going, never breaking the low. I mean, even this one it tried. It still didn't. 53.01. We only got the 03.
Oh well.
This was the first sign of it doing so by 2 cents, but it faked, went a little bit higher. It's really getting shoved down here.
I'll be right back. I gotta go get a drink.
It's early, man.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna cut it here. Really not sure what I'm even looking at here. It's like I almost feel like I'm just trying to force a trade. I mean, this is something I would never normally trade. You know what? You're right. I just realized that's what I'm doing. I'm not gonna do this. I'm gonna get out of here, guys. I do hope you guys have a good New Year's. I'll see you guys next year on Monday. I probably won't put out any videos. If I do, maybe I'll go back and look at my year as a whole I was looking at the stats last night, and they're not great, obviously. Actually, not even at the break-even point, like I thought I was. So it is something that it's interesting, and it just goes to show you that trading is hard, and a lot of it's fighting your own emotions, like I'm doing clearly today. But I also feel like there's a lot of just me I'm not feeling 100% right now anyway. So with that said, I'm going to get out of here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I always appreciate that support. If you do have any questions or comments, feel free to leave those down below or find us in the Discord. I'll probably hang out in there for the rest of the day while I'm awake. And I will see you guys next year. Peace. Oh, I screwed that up, huh?